Some have a little bit, some many, some halfway, some a lot. Let's move through this hadith. The beginning of it says, لا يدخل الجنة. He will not enter paradise, whoever has an ant's worth of arrogance in their heart. What does it mean he will not enter paradise? Please pay attention. It has four meanings. Whenever you hear a hadith that says he will not enter paradise, and there are many of them, he will not enter paradise whoever is a gossiper. He will not enter paradise whoever is a rumor spreader. He will not enter paradise she will not enter paradise whoever is immodest. Whoever does this or whoever does that. We hear these hadiths all the time. We even hear the hadith about whoever kills themselves, commits suicide, will go to hellfire and not enter paradise. We hear all these different hadiths. Now please pay attention. What does it mean he will not enter paradise? Number one, it means that on the day of judgment, when everyone is called to enter paradise, they will be delayed. They can't go in yet. Others will beat them. They will be held back. So there's a point on the day of judgment where Allah orders the angels to say to the people, enter paradise. And the first group, the best group, will enter. When that group is entering, the rest are held back. So they will not enter paradise when it's told to enter. They'll be delayed. Delayed for what? They'll be delayed, judged a bit more, but then forgiven. So that's the first type of meaning. They will not enter paradise, means they'll be delayed, judged more, and then forgiven. The second type, they will not enter paradise, means they will be delayed, and they will be punished, but lightly. And then they will enter paradise. The third meaning, they will be delayed, and they will enter hellfire, but temporarily, and eventually they'll be taken out, and they will enter paradise. The fourth and last meaning is the worst, and that is, they will permanently enter hellfire and never come out of it, and that's only to one type of people. They are the ones who committed and died on major shirk.